Procrastination. We've all been there, right? That feeling of avoiding your to-do list like it's a monster. But what if I told you there's a way to crush it in just 60 seconds? Step 1. Start with the 5-minute rule. Set a timer for 5 minutes and just start. Trust me, once you get going, you'll forget about the timer. Step 2. Break it down. Big tasks are intimidating, so break them into tiny, bite-sized pieces. You'll get it done faster than you think. Step 3. Reward yourself. When you finish a task, even a small one, give yourself a little treat. It'll keep you motivated. Procrastination doesn't stand a chance when you follow these steps. Try it and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Got more tips? Drop them below and don't forget to follow for more productivity hacks.